Now 2 plus blue will make it in the next outcome. How did I know? I'm using a special and a unique formula. So watch now. I'm staking this amount for the next game to be 2 plus blue, definitely. So watch. So this special formula I'm working with will give me an insight on the next 3 to 4 draws. So the next one is going to be a 2 plus green. So watch now. I'm attempting to put everything I have in my balance into this game. So watch, 2 plus green will be the next outcome. So followed by a 2 plus red. So it's supposed to be blue, green, red, green, green. So watch now. That's the prediction. The formula I'm working with has shown me, and we'll try and make sure it comes out that way. So watch this. Just pay close attention. Just watch. Definitely a 2 plus green. Blue, green, red, green, green. Obviously. And that was a win, people. So for my next game, remember I said blue, green, red. It's going to be a 2 plus red. So watch. I'm going all in. I'm staking everything. So pay close attention. And if this is your first time of stopping by, I'd like to say a very big thank you. This is Cindy Virtual. Do us well to subscribe to this channel. It's making the world a better place, and it's doing me good as well. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. I love you from my heart, and I am praying that this day becomes the best for you. Thank you so much for subscribing, and please don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to like it. Watch 2 plus red. Definitely will make it in this game. So watch. You see? And that's a win, people. So the next outcome would definitely be a 2 plus green. So watch. This special formula, this special technique helps you predict what sequence it is coming out in. And as you can see, I am following the sequence. It was blue, green, red, green, green. So now this is going to be a green, and the one after this will definitely be a green. By merely looking at the statistics, there are things to just look out for. So if you want to get your hand on this special unique technique, I want you to WhatsApp the number on your screen. You can send a Telegram message to this same number. You will lay your hands on this. It is very, very effective. Okay, trust me. 2 plus green. You see? And that was a win. I'm really excited about this. So watch for our final game. This will be the 5th game. For our final game, a 2 plus green. Now I am going all in again. So watch. I'm very positive about this. WhatsApp the number on your screen to inform me, and I'll show you how to get these same results. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to like it. Watch. 1, 2, 3. You see? And that was our final game. That's how simple it is once you get your hand on this strategy. Do have a wonderful day, people. Thank you for watching. Bye.